Hey everybody, look at that. I finally had the chance of using the LinkedIn template with the airplanes, and that's the announcement number one. But actually, the announcement number two is that I just added devrel to my job title. So here's the story. If you follow me, you know that I kind of have a passion into sharing content and sharing knowledge. And the idea was to match this passion to the other passion that I have, that is getting a salary from a company I work for. And how can I make these two different worlds live one next to each other, or at least have some kind of intersection between my work as a front-end developer and the passion of sharing content? And that's pretty much trying to open or launch a developer relations program right here at the company I'm currently working for. But here's the fun part. I have no idea how to actually run a proper developer relations program, as sharing videos on my personal channel on YouTube is kind of a different story. And it's also the first time for my company to have an official DevRel program. It's gonna be fun. And you may ask, why am I even sharing this here on my personal channel? Someone else might be in a similar position, working in a company that might benefit from a DevRel program, but they don't know how to start. And I also don't know how to start. That's awesome. And the idea is to share here the experiments we tried, the lesson we learned, every time we fail on something, and every time we succeed on something. So if you're interested, if you're curious and want to follow my journey, well, I I got this idea of sharing even more videos about that in the near future. And this doesn't mean that I'm gonna quit talking about JavaScript. That's still what pays most of my salary, and I will still be a developer for quite some time. But there it is. One more interest that I have, one more challenge that I'm gonna face, and one more topic that I can bring here to my YouTube channel. My primary goal, or my personal and romantic way of seeing this kind of new experiment, is to try to contaminate my colleagues and making most of them getting this passion into sharing knowledge. So how can we, the employees and the company, find a match and kind of win together? The idea is that everyone who's passionate about something can have the chance of sharing knowledge about that specific topic, and in return, the company gets some more visibility and can demonstrate the expertise. So if in the company we have some employees that are super skilled and super specialized on some specific technologies or on how to solve specific problems, it also kind of benefits the company in proving that they have that kind of expertise. Because here's one more fun, tiny challenge in my journey, that my current company, Clarinet Italy, is not a product company. We're a consultancy company. We sell our expertise in solving our customer need, but I still want to believe that everyone, the company and the employees, can benefit from kind of a DevRel program. And all of that just to say that if you're curious, stay tuned, wish me luck, and hopefully see you soon in the next update about this new developer relations journey. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Bye.